Okay, so here we have a similar shape question. They use the word similar as an indication that this is what's about to happen. They're going to give you some line, area or volume scale factors, and you've got to work out the line scale factor, and then you can answer any question at all like these. So there's the word similar, so that's indicating to me what I've got to do. I'm going to write down onto the piece of below the question the numbers, so it gives me an idea of what I'm trying to do. So 240 is the surface area of the small shape, 540 is the large area. So straight away I'm going to say, well, if I multiply 240 by some area scale factor, I need to find that number. It gets me to 540. So presumably, if I do 540 divided by 240, I will find that area scale factor, which is 2.25. Okay. So that's great, because if I've got an area scale factor, I can find a line scale factor, and then I can find a volume scale factor. So let's write those down, shall we? So we've got area scale factor is 2.25, and I want a line scale factor and a volume scale factor. Okay, now line scale factors, what are they exactly? Well, they're the square root of the area scale factor, and it's the cube root of the volume scale factor. So once you've got one, you can find all of them. Okay, so that cubed is 3.375. Okay, so now I know how to compare one shape with the other. That line scale factor, that will be measuring, for example, centimeters. So for example, if I knew the height of the small bottle, I would times it by 1.5 and it would tell me the height of the bigger bottle. If I times the area by 2.25 of the small bottle, I get the area of the larger bottle. And if I multiply the volume of the small bottle by 3.375, I'm going to get the volume of the large bottle. Now, unfortunately, they've given us the volume of the large bottle, so rather than multiplying by the volume scale factor, I need to divide, don't I, to make it smaller. And it's going to be 3.375 times smaller. So I write down the volume of the large bottle and divide it by 3.375, and hopefully that equals a nice answer. So we'll look. .600 centimeters cubed. Lovely. Okay. And that centimeters cubed is a big deal, really. It tells you what's happening to the scale factors. So for volume, it's centimeters cubed. For lines, it would be centimeters, wouldn't it? For area, centimeters squared. And for volume, centimeters cubed, which is a good indication, a reminder of what you need to do to get to the line scale factor in these types of questions. So do pause if you want to have a read of that. Okay, and let's have a look at the answer. Let's see if we've got that one right. We're looking for 600. And yes, it is method marks, so you need to be showing how you did that. Very good.